Good morning and welcome to the Forex Market Wrap, brought to you by Pepperstone. It's Monday the 14th of August 2017. I'm Darren Sinden. Right, let's take a look at overnight changes, any price moves to be aware of. A relatively quiet session as far as the markets were concerned on Friday. The weekly moves really just reflecting the news agenda and the data, particularly, of course, the increasing tensions in the Korean Peninsula and safe haven flows. And on the subject of safe haven flows, let's take a look at gold. You may recall that Ray Dalio, one of the world's largest hedge fund managers, suggested last week that everyone should have a 5% allocation to gold. Gold has increased in price in recent sessions, and we are now approaching what has been a key failure point around 1294. It'll be very interesting to see what happens if we test to and through that on this occasion. Okay, what's on the calendar? Events that may move the market today. A very quiet calendar ahead of a partial holiday in Europe tomorrow. We've had some key data out of China, which we'll look at in a bit more detail momentarily. To come, we have gross domestic product data from both Greece and Portugal. And then at 9 o'clock GMT, we'll have industrial production for June for the Eurozone as a whole. And then this afternoon, in the States at 15:30, we'll hear the results of both the 3-month and 6-month T-bill auction. That will be of interest because, of course, we've got the debt ceiling and budget debates to come in the US Congress when they reconvene in September. Okay, breaking news and comment that's caught my eye today. First of all, Japanese GDP recorded its 6th consecutive quarter of growth, with the Japanese economy growing at its fastest pace over the last 2 years. Cryptocurrency Bitcoin has traded through $4,000 per coin, and it remains above that level this morning. As we saw, the latest round of Chinese data has fallen below forecast, with industrial production, retail sales and urban investment all missing the market's targets. That's probably the third or the fourth set of Chinese data we've had that's disappointed. And in a shock revelation, Australia's Deputy Prime Minister reveals he may be a New Zealand citizen and therefore not eligible for office. Okay, food for thought, something to take away with you into the trading week. And it's this. Even as US corporates report the best earnings season for the past 13 years, the gains posted by those same equities are failing, or falling I should say. And does this mean that the bull market is running out of steam? That's something to consider. Of course, we are in an 8-year bull market now. And well, it's not surprising perhaps that it's feeling a little bit tired. We shall see what happens going forward. Of course, the S&P posted its worst week since March on those Korean tensions last week. Thank you for your time this morning. Please do take a moment to read the risk warning. Trading CFDs and FX on margin can be a risky business. If you're in any doubt about the risks involved, then please do contact your Pepperstone account executive.